Hi everyone, we are doing something different today. My team and I have come up a little challenge for you to really stretch me on how I can cook under pressure. So it's a challenge called a well-priced wonder. So this is my challenge. I'm going to read it to you. Food deliveries are a common option for a quick, speedy meal, but often come with added costs and food that doesn't always arrive in the best shape. For today's challenge, your final basket must come up to 15 or less, which is roughly the lowest possible price of a food delivery for a single person without discount. You will also have access to 5 essential pantry ingredients. It will be ready in 30 minutes or less while keeping a cleanup to a minimum. Here's a twist. You'll be given a key phrase that you must draw inspiration from your meal. For today's challenge, your key phrase is fast food. What will you create that's fast and hopefully also food? Good luck.
Okay, so what do you think about the key phrase?
I think it's a lot of fun. So fast food does it have to be like
What's your interpretation of fast food?
anything that can be cooked fast? Before we start, let's take a look online. Let me go to use the Grab app to see actually how much it is to order food these days in Singapore. Okay, let's see. So we want a delivery to Ang Mo Kio, right? All right, fast food, we have Domino Pizza, McDonald's, all that. What do you feel like? Four Fingers. My son loves Four Fingers. He actually never had it before, but he got a treat at school. Then he came back, Mommy, do you know how delicious Four Fingers is? I'm like, ooh. I'm sorry you're never exposed to it. Vinaigrette drumstick combo is $14. Pay less. Choose. Okay, I'm gonna choose standard.
Yep.
Woohoo! Total comes out to $18.60.
How do you feel about that?
The fact that $18.60 only feed one person, and also that it's not so healthy, it makes me annoyed because I do believe that you can feed the same with 4 people.
Let's try a slightly cheaper option, maybe
Okay.
McDonald's.
Okay. Is McDonald's cheaper these days? I don't necessarily think so.
Not anymore.
Yeah,
So what would you usually get if you had to eat at McDonald's?
I like the nuggets.
Oh yes.
Okay, I tend to just do a la carte. Because I don't like all the fries and the Coke. I don't need that. So chicken McNuggets, 9-piece. But 9-piece, I will still be hungry. So,
But how much is it?
Why is it still?
So the reason why it's that expensive is that the minimum order is $12.
Oh, so I should
Yeah.
order more than. Okay.
So now that you're trying this, how do you feel? Like if you were a single person, like
Oh, we're very
young-
frustrated. Okay, let me add an apple pie. Well, apple pie is only $2. Because then almost at the end, you're going to be like $20.
Yep.
And then there's all these junk food that you're eating. Okay, I will do this. Happy sharing box, and to get to that, add an apple pie. $17. Okay, better. At least I have more nuggets, more chicken wings, and apple pie.
Not very healthy though.
I know.
Okay,
This is the worst
shall we
meal.
try looking for a slightly more healthy fast food option? There's
I'm
stuffed.
okay. Yeah,
Stuffed is quite good.
similar, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. I want to do this mala thing. No sauce. No need.
Oh no, then there's like literally nothing in your daily bowl.
Oh,
Because the
Okay.
toppings are the things. Like,
I thought there is a. Sorry, see, I don't even know how to order. How lame is this? So, $11 plus $4.50 service fee plus small order fee $1. That adds up to $16.50.
which is the cheapest one of the 3.
Yeah, but I'd probably still be hungry after I eat it.
Now that you've seen a few options,
Okay, now I see the challenge. As a person, order a small meal that if it's healthy, you're barely full. If it's not healthy, it's almost $20. So the challenge today is how I can make a delicious, nutritious meal to serve more people as a family and keep it healthy.
okay, do you have anything in mind already?
Yeah, I do. Actually, a dish that my grandfather always cooked for us is the 炸酱面.
Do you think you'll get all your ingredients for less than 50?
Yes.
Okay. So shall we try?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go. So I need the pork first.
Okay.
Pork. Here we can look at frozen. We can compare the price. Okay, let me tell you the price. Minced pork, 500 gram is $4.19 each. Now $7.50. If you buy fresh, alright, fresh is not bad. $3.80 for 320 gram. So this is good. Okay, 买一点豆干. See, here's a challenge for someone that's cooking for one. That's a lot of 豆干. It's actually quite cheap. It's only $1. But what are you gonna do with the extra? Okay, so now we're $4.80.
While you're looking around, how's grocery shopping usually like for you?
I love it.
What do you like about this?
Like it's like possibility all presented in my head. I can live here. Like everywhere when I travel, the first thing I do is go to their grocery. We need a sauce here. I'm looking for 甜面酱, but they don't have 甜面酱 here. Or should I use 海鲜酱? For the kids, I don't think I should use that. So let me use this. All right, this is expensive. $8.35. Do you have this pickled vegetable, like 榨菜, salted vegetable?
Salted vegetable.
Oh yes, thank you very much. $3. This will kill my budget. Chinese noodle. Where are the noodles? This place have quite peculiar things. Or should we abandon this place and go to Cold Storage? Trying to understand why people are even here. Okay, let's go to Cold Storage. That's why when I do grocery shopping, I go to multiple different stores. All right, so we're in supermarket number 2. This one I'm more familiar with. Okay, minced pork. Oh, so expensive here. Excuse me, do you have frozen minced pork? 没有. Okay, thank you. Let's buy other stuff. Okay, let's look at the sauce here. Ooh, expensive. Now I see your challenge.
There is the option for you to pivot.
Yeah, there's also an option to pivot. Fast food, but a grilled cheese sandwich? Let's do a grilled cheese.
We need other things. So not
Yeah,
just
or even a canned soup. How much is cheese here? Sometimes when you grate, it's cheaper also. Still expensive.
There's slices for $4.60.
These are awful.
But these are real.
Oh, okay, cheaper. Okay, let's try
Yeah, then we
this.
can save. Like maybe you can buy something else that is.
$4.10. But I was gonna give you a soup also, and buy some ham. Anything else sell? We can buy the lowest price apple.
Apple bake is quite
Okay,
nice.
yeah.
I quite like it.
Can I get 100 gram of the apple baked ham, please? Thank you very much. So that's $4.10. This is, oh, how come so much? It really break my budget, man. We see broccoli? Here. How much is it? Oh my God. This is so expensive. That's crazy. So what soup can we make that's cheaper? How about a pumpkin
That
soup?
was 3 slices.
Let's do a pumpkin soup then. Easy. So if I add this, pumpkin soup, onion, evaporated milk. 175, it's here. 145. This one, metal is cheaper. Okay, done. I'm not sure. I think we're about 15, 16. Should we go try? I may need to get a cheaper one. That's my leverage. All right, you need to get
you need
it.
something $1 cheaper.
Yeah, it's a pivot. You're getting mushroom soup instead. Only if the garlic can sell by piece, I would just throw in the garlic. Okay, all right, meet it. Check out. Ah, let's see what we're gonna do. All right, done. $14.75.
How do you feel about what you managed to get?
See how struggle that was?
Yeah.
Like, you have to keep pivoting on the plans. The challenge is not hard. I think the challenge for me is not able to find the ingredients that I want. And also the ingredient size, they sell in much bigger size than what you need to cook for one person. I think that's a challenge, right?
And it also shows how important it is to like choose the right supermarket, right?
Yeah.
What you're trying to make.
This is not the right supermarket. I'm back. We're ready to cook. Here are the ingredients that I've got. I got bread, ham, cheese, evaporated creamer. This is because it's cheaper in a can form. It's also served the purpose as a cream. And an onion and this.
Different from what you originally planned, right?
Yeah. I wanted to do my grandpa's famous pork jajang pork noodle, but there were so many ingredients that were missing in Cold Storage, the supermarket, so I gave it up. My plan is to make the French ham and cheese sandwich. I don't know how to say in French. I think it's called croque monsieur, something like that. Louise trying to speak French. And I'm going to make a mushroom cream soup. This can be a nice meal. I think this budget actually can feed more than one person. It actually can feed a couple. Entry ingredients. Today I have salt, pepper. I have one choice of starch, which I chose flour. And then I've actually negotiated. I don't want neutral oil. I actually want butter today because we're making Western. So the fat I have today is butter.
What do we get in exchange for that? Less time? Nothing.
No, no, nothing. Okay, I have 30 minutes and ready. Does 30 minutes include plating also?
It's like MasterChef.
All right, let's go. So we're gonna heat up the pan. Wait, okay, wait. So this is an additional challenge in MasterChef. MasterChef at least have multiple stove. Okay, I can later use the stove inside also.
Yes.
This for the soup. So I'm going to saute the mushroom first. I need to make a roux, which the roux I also will apply to the sandwich. And then I need to saute these mushrooms. I'm going to move this into the stove inside.
Does seeing a timer in front of you while you cook remind you of MasterChef?
Yeah, quite used to it because at home I also cook under a time challenge because you have kids, limited time, especially when you entertain.
Okay, 6 minutes have gone.
Don't give me pressure. Yeah, how can it become so thick? Hopefully it will serve as a thickener. So I'm trying to make a roux that's basically flour, butter, and then milk. That later can help thicken the soup as well as I'm going to apply this on top of the ham and cheese sandwich.
And what's the technical name of this kind of sauce?
Bao chow mein, what is it? Bechamel. See, I've never really technically trained.
So you can still make good food.
I understand the concept. Okay, so this is my sauce. All right, see, nicely toasted brown. More butter to saute the onion.
Was there any challenge in particular where you felt like time was very, very tight on MasterChef?
The one that's ingredients is the essence one. The cake itself needs multiple steps. Yeah, the cluster, so everything has to process at the same time. How many should I make?
Your plan was for 2.
So the key with a nice ham and cheese sandwich is that crust needs to be slightly crunchy. If it want crunchy, usually on the outside, then you have to put butter.
What about mayonnaise?
Mayonnaise is very good also. But here you didn't give me mayonnaise today, no?
Your budget didn't give you.
Yeah. I think we don't have time. Otherwise, I would have sauteed the onion more. So you have perfect 3-piece. Cheese.
I feel like they shortchanged you on the cheese. It's like such small slices.
Oh, perfect. I finished everything. Then I apply the sauce. This is going in the oven. So this, I'm just going to put it in now, just to thicken it. Might as well throw the ham in to give some ham flavor. It's really good.
It looks good.
It has a ham taste also. Let's heat it up a little bit. I think I'm almost done.
What's the thing?
I was hoping for some kind of browning. How much time? I could have added the entire milk and stuff.
Yeah.
So there's no wasted. See?
I guess we can't say this is healthy.
Why? If
Fast food. It's fast food.
But no, mushroom, no?
Is mushroom a vegetable?
Yeah, of course it is. Nice and crunchy, guys. Serving for the couple. Actually, you can serve the whole family.
How much time is that? Oh, yeah, 24 seconds.
Here you
I'm
go.
okay, I'm okay with the crust. You can leave the crust on for mine. Done?
What?
Wow. Yay. Okay, so what's your
Can I just fix it real quick?
Yes. This part's the cheating part.
This part is just for the presentation's sake. But I want you to see the inside. You can hear it. It's like nice and crunchy. So $15 lunch for 2.
What's
Soup
leftovers?
plus leftover, and then a lot of leftover. $15 lunch for 2. I mean, you have protein, you have carb, you have vegetables, mushroom,
Vegetables.
onion also.
How was the whole experience like? No, now that you know how much things can cost for like food delivery, like what are your thoughts?
I think this is much more worth it, no? $15, you can make a lot more and leftover, and still, it's a very satisfying meal to me.
If you had a chance to do it again, would you do it differently? Would you shop at somewhere else? Like, what would you change?
If I shop at somewhere else, I wouldn't be making this dish. But at that cold storage, this is the best option I thought I could do.
Okay, you
Let's try one.
yes. Nothing can go wrong with grilled cheese, right?
Lemon soup goes very well together.
Should dip it together.
Yeah, it goes really well.
Okay, let's also assess how much we have to clean up after the fact, okay? What do you think?
I think that's a challenge that people always ask. And in terms of the time you spend and how much you have to clean up, to me, this is okay. The best thing I like is there's no wastage of food. All the ingredients are used basically. And this can be a nice snack. That's just to make it present nicely, but this also I eat all the time.
Oh.
The best part, you dip in the soup. So that's a wrap for a well-priced challenge. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section what else you want me to cook and what challenge I should take on. Happy cooking!